I've thought of a new way that I can level logs rather than using shims with a pretty simple device that I'm going to build. This is a mock-up of what the log bed is, with the 6-inch and the 2-inch stainless steel tubing. What I want to do is take this piece of 3/16 by 5-inch steel, and I'm going to basically make what I made with this cardboard template. It's going to bend up and over, down, support the foot of the jack, and then this will be able to slide back and forth to any width log. My reasoning for building this attachment for my sawmill was because when cutting dimensional lumber, you need an easy way to level the small end of the log to the large end of the log. The reason why you want to level the log is so that as the saw blade passes through the log, you want to be cutting in a parallel plane to the very center of the tree. It will produce much more stable lumber. It's least likely to twist or bend as it dries. Since I have no way to actually just bend this steel along the white lines, a trick that I've learned is to score either with a grinder or a bandsaw, score about halfway through, then you can bend it real easy, and then you just weld it back up. Let's see if I can bend it. And now you can see pretty easily I made the exact copy of my cardboard template out of the heavy steel. What's nice about bending this way, it stays connected for the most part, but it leaves you with a perfect area to fill up with weld, so you'll have a full penetration weld across each of your joints. So it should be very strong. This is the log lifter complete. I intentionally left a little bit extra space up top here because this will adjust up, but I have a feeling that I'm going to need to add a bar going across welded to this to make it easier to lift up the log. So I left extra space in there. For now, a piece of 2x4 underneath the jack or on top will do the trick. Came out pretty good. I ended up adding these gussets to give it a little bit more stability in case the log's heavy. Be testing this out pretty soon.